to the last video and swing it around, have a look at this. Pretty late in the afternoon here at the moment. Bit of a full moon happening up there, and nice remote beach. Hoping might catch a whale, maybe a couple of dolphins. It is absolutely beautiful, breathtaking scenery. It's so quiet. This is away from everything, away from away. I just enjoy the ocean because it's just the calm vibes, the energy. It's a good recharge, especially working night shift 5 nights a week. It gets me soul in the right spot. I just want to say to a lot of people who follow me and subscribe, I appreciate it a lot. Sometimes I can do some good videos, but today, yeah, it's a bit hard. I just want to be in the moment, but it's nice to share some of this area and show you the peace. Thanks for watching, and hit like and subscribe if you want more. Thanks.